What if I told you that right now, without even realizing it, you might be killing your seeds before they ever get a chance to grow? Most beginners think planting seeds is simple, just put them in soil, water them, and wait. But here is the truth almost nobody talks about. Some seeds never grow, not because you did something wrong later, but because you skipped one small step at the very beginning. And this is the part that shocks most people. Your seeds could be sitting in the soil right now doing absolutely nothing, not because they are bad, but because they were never properly activated. So you keep waiting, checking, watering, hoping something will happen. But nothing changes. Now here is where it gets interesting. There is a simple trick called seed soaking that can wake your seeds up faster, improve germination, and give your plants a much stronger start. But wait, do it the wrong way, and you can completely destroy your seeds before they even begin. And that is exactly what you need to understand before you plant anything again. If you have ever tried growing seeds before, then you already know how frustrating this can be. You start with excitement, you prepare the soil, plant the seeds, carefully water them, and expect something to happen soon. But day 1, nothing. Day 3, still nothing. A week later, maybe one tiny sprout appears while the rest stay completely dead. And this is the exact moment where most beginners start losing confidence, because now you are not just waiting, you are confused. You start asking yourself, did I water too much? Did I not water enough? Is the soil wrong? Is the weather bad? And the more you think about it, the more frustrating it becomes. So you try again, you water more, you check more often, you even move your plants around hoping something will change. But nothing really does, and slowly that excitement turns into doubt. You start believing maybe gardening is harder than it looks, or worse, maybe growing your own food is just not for you. But here is the truth that almost nobody tells you: this is not happening because you are careless, and it is not even about your soil or your watering. Sometimes the problem starts before the seed ever touches the soil, and that is the mistake that silently ruins everything. Here is something most beginners never realize: your seeds are not dead, they are just inactive. And inside every single seed, there is a tiny plant waiting for one signal to wake up and start growing. And that signal is moisture. But here is where most people go wrong. When you plant dry seeds directly into the soil, it can take a long time for water to fully break through that outer shell. And during that delay, everything becomes risky. The soil can dry out, the temperature can shift, or the seed can simply fail before it even begins. And this is the exact stage where most seeds lose their chance to grow. But here is the interesting part: when you soak your seeds before planting, you are not just helping them, you are actually activating them. You are telling the seed it is time to grow, and that changes everything. But wait, because this is where many beginners make another mistake. Not all seeds should be soaked the same way. Some need only a few hours, some need overnight, and some should not be soaked at all. And if you get this wrong, you can reduce your success instead of improving it. So now let us go step by step and do this the right way. So let us break this down step by step, because this is where everything changes. And if you get this part right, your results can improve instantly. First, you need to understand what soaking actually does. Soaking seeds means placing them in water before planting, so the outer shell softens and moisture can enter faster, which activates the germination process. But here is the mistake most beginners make: they think all seeds should be soaked, and that is not true, because soaking the wrong seeds can actually ruin them. Larger seeds with hard shells like beans, peas, corn, and spinach benefit the most from soaking because they take longer to absorb water, while very small seeds like lettuce or basil should usually not be soaked because they become too soft and difficult to handle and can even get damaged. So the first rule is simple: soak large hard seeds, skip tiny delicate ones. Now here is where it gets interesting. The water you use matters more than you think. Never use hot water because it can damage the seed from the inside, and never use very cold water because it slows everything down. Room temperature water is perfect. Now place your seeds into the water and watch closely, because something important happens. Some seeds will sink while others float. And while floating seeds are not always bad, the ones that sink are usually stronger and more viable. And this gives you a small advantage before you even plant anything. But now comes the most important part, and this is where most people completely mess it up. Timing: soaking your seeds for too long can actually kill them, because seeds also need oxygen, and if they stay in water for too long, they begin to suffocate. So here is the simple rule: most seeds need only 8 to 12 hours. Soaking overnight is perfect, but never go beyond 24 hours, because after that the risk of rot increases fast, and this is where many beginners lose their seeds without even realizing it. Now, after soaking, take a closer look at your seeds. You will notice they look slightly swollen, And in some cases, you may even see small cracks forming, and this is a very good sign because it means the seed has absorbed water and is ready to grow. But do not make the mistake of waiting. This is critical. Once seeds are soaked, they must be planted immediately because they are already activated, and leaving them out can dry them or damage them quickly. So always prepare your soil before soaking your seeds so you are ready to plant right away. Now, when planting, do not bury the seeds too deep because that can slow down or even stop growth. Completely place them at the correct depth, cover them lightly, and make sure the soil is moist but not wet. And here is another mistake that quietly kills growth: overwatering after planting. Many beginners think more water means faster growth, but soaked seeds already have enough moisture, so flooding the soil at this stage can still damage them. Instead, water gently and keep the soil slightly moist. Now, here is something most people never notice: soaked seeds usually sprout faster, sometimes even days earlier than dry seeds. And this early start creates stronger roots, better stability, and healthier plants later. But before you think this method is foolproof, let me warn you about the most common mistakes: soaking too long, using hot water soaking tiny seeds, delaying planting, and overwatering after planting. These mistakes seem small, but they can completely destroy your results. So if you avoid them and follow this simple process correctly, you will not just improve your germination, you will completely change the way your garden starts growing. Now imagine this: instead of waiting for days wondering if your seeds will ever grow, you start seeing results much sooner. Sometimes in just a few days, small green shoots begin to appear. More seeds sprout at the same time, more evenly, and with much higher success. And this is the moment where everything starts to feel different, because now your garden no longer feels slow or uncertain, it feels alive. You walk outside, and instead of guessing, you see real progress happening in front of you, and that changes your mindset completely, because now you are not just hoping your seeds grow, you know they will. Your confidence starts building with every new sprout, every new leaf, every sign of growth. And suddenly gardening becomes easier, not because it changed, but because you understand it better. Your plants grow stronger from the beginning, their roots establish faster, they adapt better to the soil, and over time, this small step creates a big difference in your results. You waste fewer seeds, you get more consistent growth, and you stop feeling frustrated and start feeling in control. And this is the point where most people never go back, because once you experience faster growth and higher success, you naturally want to plant more, grow more, and expand your garden. And that is how a simple habit like soaking your seeds turns a slow, uncertain start into a powerful and rewarding gardening journey. If this video opened your eyes to why your seeds were not growing and how one simple step can completely change your results, then make sure you subscribe and stay connected, because this channel is all about helping beginners grow their own food in the simplest and most practical way. And before you plant your next batch of seeds, there is something important you need to know. Even if you soak your seeds correctly, there are still a few hidden mistakes that can completely stop your plants from growing, and most beginners make them without even realizing it. And this is exactly where many people lose all their progress. So in the next video, I am going to show you the biggest seed starting mistakes that quietly destroy your plants and how to avoid them step by step, so you do not waste time, effort, or space. And trust me, fixing just one of those mistakes can double your results, so do not miss it. Click on the next video now and let us keep growing.